Oh, you got the green one.
So cute. Okay. And then open the box. How do I open it? Which side? Which side
I
comes
think
out?
the other side.
This side? No. Side?
The one that's at your stomach.
Oh, yeah, there it is. This side. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it this way.
Ooh, a Sharky.
Little shark. Do, 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 do. It's like a bag or something. Oh, that's cool. What's that? Oh, it's a reusable bag that folds up into a shirt.
I need one of those.
Ah, it's so cute.
Oh.
I got a bunch of stickers. A reusable water bottle, which I don't have yet. I have a ton of reusable cups, but no water bottles. So I can like... This, I think it's like, what, a straw maybe? A toothbrush!
A bamboo toothbrush!
A mermaid toothbrush! It's bamboo or what? It's wooden. It's wooden. So eco-friendly toothbrush. Eco-friendly glitter. Ooh, vegan sunscreen. I actually just got some at home too. A cactus baby soap. Yeah. And then toothpaste tablets. That's cool. Okay, what's in this thing? Oh, it's a bracelet! It's like out of a fishing net.
Oh.
Yeah, and it matches my everything, so that's cool. Like, it's amazing. Okay. And now this, stuff in here. Oh my god, so this is like for smoothies and stuff, silicone. And then a straw cleaner, I need another one because I lost my last one. Silverware. And reusable straws. And this is a straw. This is not a chopstick. I thought they were chopsticks. That was not a chopstick. The other chopstick is right there. There we go. Here's the chopstick. Okay, here's the chopstick. Jump. That's so cool.
Yeah.
So
Whip those out the Japanese restaurant. See what the other people say.
Yeah. It's like, no, it's okay. I'm a mermaid.
Yeah.
I can't even really use them. Okay. Bye. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes.